You have long entertained the idea of launching your own company. You are sick and tired of working for other people, and you feel as though the independence and responsibility that comes with owning your own business would be perfect for you. The problem is that you do not have very much starting capital, if any at all, which is a problem in and of itself, which most likely indicates that you're out of luck at this point, right? Wrong. Here are 4 businesses that you can launch with very little initial investment, and even ones that aren't absolutely free can be launched for very little money. They don't need extensive training or degrees, expensive equipment or tons of materials, space or products, and they don't cost a lot of money. Having said that, a significant number of enterprises listed below necessitate having, at the very least, consistent access to a computer, the internet, and possibly a vehicle. However, if you already know the answers to those questions, you can jump right into it. If you think creatively, you'll sure to come up with a company idea that makes use of your skill set. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at the 4 business ideas that you can start with $0. Yeah, you heard it right. Number 1. Blogging. Even though it's not a brand new idea, monetized blogging continues to be one of the most popular choices for a business that requires almost no startup capital. When it comes to monetizing your own blog, you have a wide variety of opportunities at your disposal, like entering into affiliate relationships, publishing ebooks, conducting webinars, and selling online courses. Certain blog niches will be more popular and easier to monetize than others. Some of these work better than others, just as certain blog niches will be more popular. For example, beauty, food, and parenting blogs are some of the most popular themes, and as a result, it'll be simpler to monetize these type of blogs, although you'll also face greater competition. It is also important to note, however, that you will have the most success monetizing your blog if you choose to write about a topic for which you have a genuine interest and in which you have personally committed time and energy. Therefore, if you're thinking, yeah, then you should consider taking this path. My passion for carefully crafted artisan chocolates has inspired me to consider beginning a blog for quite some time, or whatever else gets you going. It's not sufficient to simply have the intention of making money. Number 2. In-home childcare. Turning your home into a childcare facility could be an excellent choice for you if you have a passion for working with children and an environment that is well suited for the task. There will be fees and licensing procedures associated with beginning a daycare business. But other than those charges, the costs associated with starting a childcare business are low at best and potentially non-existent. Check out our post that discusses starting a daycare business as a first step. This article will take you through all the necessary procedures that need to be taken in order to get your business up and operating. Number 3. In-home dog care. In a similar line, if you enjoy taking care of animals and want to start your own business, you might think about opening a doggy daycare. You can provide your services during regular business hours for customers who need someone to monitor their dog while they're at work. Or you can offer your services to people who are going to be out of town and need their dogs looked after. You'll require experience with caring for dogs as well as the capacity to do so in a patient and meticulous manner, in addition to the fact that the startup costs are minimal if non-existent. If you haven't spent a lot of time around dogs but are interested in starting a dog daycare business, you might want to try doing some volunteer work at an animal shelter first. Check out Dog Vacay to get a better idea of what this entails and to see what rates other sitters in your neighborhood are charging for their services. Even a listing for yourself is available on the website. Number 4. Resume building. You may have spent years working as a recruiting manager, during which time you have gained a thorough understanding of the qualifications sought by businesses. Perhaps you're a graphic design whiz and enjoy the process of developing a resume that looks clean and professional. Perhaps you also have excellent attention to detail, and I do mean excellent, there's no room for error here. If this describes you, you might want to think about launching a career as a resume builder. There are a variety of approaches that you could take to this problem. Some services specialize in editing already existing documents, while others will build an entire resume for you, complete with graphics, content, and all for a fee that is significantly higher and a time investment that is significantly longer. Both of these choices are legitimate options for starting a free business, but which one you go with will rely on the skills you already possess. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned!